It's me, Anas again. I Today I was going to read the rest of the prologue of the Alchemist, but I found out that you have to ask the author to read a book, otherwise you get copyright issues. So I won't be reading it. I I didn't know that. So now that I can read it, but I will tell you the rest of the story of the Narcissus. So, Narcissus was a character of Greek mythology based on the human trait of narcissism. Narcissus was a boy, very beautiful boy who used to knelt at the lake every day to see his reflection and contemplate it. When he was looking at his reflection in the sea, in the lake, he fell into it and died. So the lake cried, and the goddess of the forest appeared and asked the lake, "Why are you crying?" So the lake replied that I am crying for the Narcissus. So the goddess said, "Yes, you have to cry. After all, it was you whose bank he knelt at every day to see his reflection. We have only seen him from afar, but you have witnessed his beauty firsthand." So the lake asked, "Was Narcissus really beautiful?" The goddess replied, "You must know it. After all, it was you he saw himself in." So the lake replied, "I am not crying for his beauty, but for that he saw himself so beautiful that he died for it. If he was not as beautiful as he thought he was, he would have been alive today. So I am crying for that." When a man thinks of himself too much, his end is inevitable. The human trait of selfishness was called narcissism after the character Narcissus of Greek mythology. So now you know his story. If only we could have the If only we could have the delusion of Narcissus, or the confidence he had in himself, thinking he was the most beautiful human in the world. Sometimes a little delusion is required to live a happy life. I don't think so he was all narcissist or selfish. Maybe he just really wanted to see himself as beautiful, to know he has some worth in this world. Sometimes we resonate our worth by physical appearance or the worth people give us, but it's not all. We have so much to offer, much more than we can think ourselves.